Now I request Dr. Armukam Shakila, Professor of Horticulture, to welcome the gathering.
Good evening, everyone. It is my pleasure to welcome you all for the fifth session of the one-week virtual short-term course on Design and Development of Moocs, a four-quadrant approach organized by IQAC-ANNAMALAI University, Chidambaram. Over the past 4 days, we have thoroughly and meticulously explored the nuances of developing e-tutorials and e-contents, that is Q1 and Q2, as well as the discussion forums, that is Q3, in a very comprehensive manner. Before we dive into today's session of assessment of learners, that is Q4, and website designing, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our esteemed resource person, Dr. Vimal Gerald, for his efforts and dedication in sharing his wealth of expertise to all of us and for his tremendous patience in clarifying the queries of our very enthusiastic participants. We are truly very fortunate to have you, sir, as a resource person. I am confident that all of us will apply the knowledge and skills acquired in the short course to create innovative and impactful online learning experiences that empower learners worldwide. With a short note, I welcome you all once again for today's insightful and enthralling session. Thank you. Over to Dr. Vimal Gerald, sir. Sir, you may continue.
Thank you,
Sir.
Dr. Shakila, madam.
Yes.
Am I audible, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much, madam, for your kind words of welcome and introduction.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Most respected professors of the IQAC, of the esteemed university, team organizing, all the technical team members, esteemed professors from various colleges and institutions, research scholars, student friends, professionals. Happy evening to you all once again. It is on the 5th day we are all connected. You know, it goes just like that because of your enthusiastic participation and zealous participation in the STC makes the STC more and more, effective and outcome-based. So I appreciate all your efforts made in this regard after your regular routine. And in Tamil Nadu, we have, we have cyclone expected, but still people from even coastal area, particularly the host institution is nearby the sea, where the cyclone is expected to cross. But they are able to make it feasible. We shall appreciate the efforts made by the host institution, the ANNAMALAI University, the IQAC team. So professors, without further delay, let me take you all into the demonstration of today. Professors, I would like to know from you all, how many of you made an attempt to create Q2 and Q3? Q2 and Q3. Have you made your attempts? Q2 and Q3, have you generated some case studies? Yes, those who have made it, those who attempted, please press 5 in the chat box. 5. For yes, 5. For no, 6. Oh, so many have made it. Please make a consistent attempt so that it could be actualized. Okay, professors? See, professors, as I told you earlier, this course has to be done for a month, but we are doing it for 7 days in a very, very abstract manner, encapsulated manner. Okay, professors, I request your cooperation in this regard. Thanks a lot. Let me take you all for the demonstration of today. I'm expecting some more participants to join because they should not miss it. Okay, now, professors, today, the fourth component could be assessment. The fourth component could be assessment. Please listen to me for a while. I have a presentation on assessment, but I don't want to go into detail. Any assessment, process, please take it from me. Any assessment should have following criteria. Number 1, the assessment should enable critical thinking among learners. The assessment should kindle problem-solving skills of the learners. It should not be a WH question, just staying at K1 and K2. So let our assessments bring real critical thinking among the learners. Number one. Number two, any assessment designed, any assessment created should check the competency, particularly the skill competency of the learners. So skill components should have more emphasis on the assessment design. Am I clear to you, professors? Third one, any assessment should have rubrics, because you may give 100, I may give only 80 for the same project or same work done by the student. No, you and me cannot differ more than 5 marks. If we differ, then we are objective instead of subjective. Sorry, we are subjective instead of objective. We should not be biased on any factor. We cannot be partial on any factor. So let all our assessment be equal. How shall we? We have to be guided by rubrics. Rubrics is the guidelines for assessment. If this is the case, this mark. If this is the work done, this would be the marks. So that is the way we award marks for the students. Am I clear to you, dear professors? So any assessment designed by you should have critical thinking, should enable critical thinking among the learners. Number one. Number two, you should have skill analysis, skill competency checking. And third, any assessment should have rubrics, so that anybody who goes through the assessment part should be guided equally. Got it, professors? This is the work done for assessment. And UGC emphasizes on assessing the students on every session. That is why every module that we deal with has to be assessed. Every module is created with Q1, that is e-tutorial, should have an assessment component, should be supplemented with assessment. Am I clear to you, professors? So keeping that in mind, let us design assessment for all the contents that we create. So the fourth component is assessing the learners. Okay, professors, have you all understood? Have you all understood so far whatever that I told you? Professors, have you got it? The assessment should always be designed, taken into consideration of the different cognitive levels of the students. Keep that in mind while generating or designing assessments. Now, let me tell you how to design creative assessments using different tools. Okay, professors. Then that has to be put into different tools, and the link can be put over the platform. That means learning management system. Am I clear? Assessment number one is formative assessment. Formative, which means while we teach, the students are to be assessed with the outcome. While we teach, the students are to be assessed for their outcome. See, for example, I have completed for today's session. I need to assess the outcome. I need to assess the understanding of the learners immediately after the session. And if they are wrong, I should tell them why it is wrong, what is supposed to be the correct answer, and how could you replace with the correct answer. All that should be explained with the students. Formative assessment. Summative assessment is done usually at the end of the semester. Instead, you can go for even completing after completing a particular unit, after completing a particular topic, after completing a particular concept, you can also go for summative assessment, cumulative on certain elements, cumulative assessment on completing a particular unit or a particular concept. Am I clear to you, professors? So formative assessment, summative assessment are quite common. And diagnostic assessment, to check the prior knowledge of the students. For diagnostic assessment, is not taken into consideration for marks. Okay, just leave alone. Now we are going to work on formative and summative. Professors' rubrics is the guidelines for the professors to evaluate. Take, for example, If you want to have, I will let you know how to generate rubrics. Okay. I will let you know how to generate rubrics shortly. Kindly hold on, professors. I'm sharing my screen. I'm generating a rubric. All of you, please be reminded of. I'm introducing you with another tool. I'm introducing you to another tool. Let me introduce you with a tool. Kindly hold on. Am I audible? I think the place where I am, it is echoing much. Are you able to listen to me properly without any difficulty? I think there is a little echo, right? If it's clear, fine. Now look at here. I take you to Gemini. Gemini, okay? Gemini. Just open gemini.google.com. Gemini.google.com. Professors, I'm just taking you all to gemini.google.com. Gemini.google.com. Okay, professors, look at here. Gemini.google.com. I have given you the link in the chat box. This is gemini.google.com. Okay, professors, gemini.google.com. So please log into your Google account. You are there. Now here, I'm just asking, generate a rubric for evaluating final year project of computer science students. Final year project of BSc computer science students. See, final year projects of BSc computer science students. The total marks should be 100. Look at here. Look at here, professor. It is giving me the rubrics, which means guidelines, based on which we will have to give. Look at here. The technical efficiency gets 100. Okay, professors. Okay. See, give it in table format. Give it in table format. See, I get it in table format. I will explain you. See here, the technical proficiency 20 marks. If the student is able to demonstrate strong programming skills, algorithm problem solving, out of 30, please, based on the student's performance, you give project design, implementation, documentation. See, totally 100 marks. It can be downloaded in Excel sheet. Look at here at the bottom. It can be downloaded in Excel sheet. So accordingly, this the students can be given marks. Now, if you would like to have internal components of each category, make internal fixation for each category. See, for example, out of 30, whom should be given 30? See here, internal fixation. Process, if the clarity is good, the mark is given like this. If the clarity, if the programming skills, and based on different description. For example, see, I just would like to just open, look at here. These are all clarified. Look at here. These 20 marks. See, for example, 30 marks is divided into, look at here, programming skill 10 marks, algorithm 10 marks, problem solving 10 marks. Now, for 20 marks, see here, these are all 4 divisions. For implementation, these are all divisions. For documentation, these are all division. Based on that, you give marks. Okay, professors, if you want to see that in Excel, please click expert to sheets. It will automatically create an Excel sheet for you. Got it, professors? So that this could be evaluated by all the teachers and the marks could be uniform in evaluation, except a few difference. Am I clear to you, dear professors? I shall show you the Excel sheet downloaded. See, I just export to Excel sheet. It is creating an Excel sheet. I'm just waiting. Okay, professors. See. Open sheets, it goes to. So it is generated process. It has generated an Excel sheet. It has generated an Excel sheet. I show you. Look at here. This is the Excel sheet that it has generated. Look at your process. Look at here. See, these are all criteria. These are all weightage given. Weightage given. See, based on that. If the student is proficient in language, 10 marks. Efficiency usage. So accordingly, the students are given marks. Then uniformity will be followed. Okay, process. This is what we call by rubrics. Okay, process. For anything, you can just design with uniformity. Now, I'm just going. Please go back again with Google. Please go back again with Google. Is my screen visible, process? Process, is my screen visible? Process, is my screen visible? Okay, fine. Now look at here. I'm going to design the multiple choice questions on a particular unit. Okay, multiple choice. Now, how can you get the multiple choice questions? Okay, now go to Gemini. Just take up Gemini. How many of you can you generate it? Process, tell me. I will give you time, 5 minutes to generate a rubric for your own evaluation, for anything. It could be for assignment, it could be for project, or it could be for internal component of any component. Please generate one. Generate one. And if you have generated, press C in the chat box. If you have generated, press C in the chat box. Accordingly, we shall proceed. If you have generated, press C in the chat box. So many have completed within short span of time. That's great. You can download process downloading. You need to go to Excel, and from there it can be downloaded. Okay, you need to go to Excel, and from there it can be downloaded. For example, PowerPoints can be done. Only thing is that it can be taken to Google Sites, Google Slides. From there it can be downloaded. Okay, process. From there itself it will have download a sheet. Download in Google Sheets. You will get it. See, for example, generate a lecture notes in Docs. See, you will get it. Generate lecture notes in Docs. You can open it in Google Docs. Okay. Okay, process. Now, let me not go over it because we will not be able to finish the work that you are supposed to take up. So I'm letting you know how to generate MCQs. Process, carefully noted. You get the syllabus. You get the syllabus or you get the topic. For example, yesterday, Armuham sir, there is more draft. Armuham sir, what is that, madam? I get only code.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
Yeah.
am I audible, sir? Sir, it says there is one more
Yes,
draft,
madam. Tell me,
optional drafts for this rubric, sir. I set for one evaluation of the agri students in UG.
Yeah. Yeah.
And there is one more draft is showing, sir. Can we use other drafts also?
Yes, madam. Why not? It's up to you, madam. It's up to you. Yeah.
Slight variation is there in the different drafts.
Yeah. You can compare and use it, madam. Very well, you can compare and use it.
Oh,
Vijay
okay,
Bharati,
sir.
madam. Vijay Bharati, madam, you need to change your prompt. You will get it. Thank you, Sashikala, madam. Now look at here. I'm going to just use, a different MCQs. Short answers, right? Look at here. Generate 5 MCQ on 4 quadrant modules. Look at here. 4 quadrant modules on e-content. Process. This is what I have made it for all the components, all the quadrant, right? So I'm just getting it. Look at here. 5 MCQ on 4 quadrant modules. Look at your process. Now tell me which quadrant of the four modules on delivering structured video and audio content. Look at here, structured video. It comes under, what is the right answer? Tell me what is the first one, right answer? Yes, Professor. Professor Gomadi, please focus upon this. We will go ahead. Yeah. I will answer you at the end because we are slightly different. We are going back. Yeah. Now look at here. In which quadrant you would find additional online resources like articles, like articles and so on. Look at your process. In which quadrant you would find additional resources like articles and research papers? Where do you have process? Which quadrant? Second answer is C. Fine. Third one. Which quadrant is crucial for learners to gauge their understanding of the course material? Which quadrant, professors? Yeah. No. Self-assessment, professors. D is the right answer. Gauge means to just get. What is the primary purpose of E-content quadrant? E-content quadrant to provide interactive simulation, to offer supplementary reading materials and references, to facilitate peer-to-peer discussion, to deliver lectures and tutorials. Which is correct one, professors? B is the correct one. Not lectures. Not to deliver structured lecture. No. B is the correct one. To offer supplementary. See, I told you on the other day. Many of you have confusion. I told you on the other day, it is supplementing reading materials for the e-content, right? The e-tutorial. Now, difficult level question. How does the investigation of 4 quadrant contribute to effective online learning? Now, by providing diverse range of learning materials, by reducing workload of instructors, by making online more expensive, by limiting learner autonomy and flexibility. Which one is? A is the correct answer, professors. A. Yes. You are absolutely. See, now you are able to understand, no? Because you have been dealing with all the 4 days. All have become expert. Now, this is what we call by, formative assessment. So we need to get it and give it to the students. How? You go to Word and look at here. I'm just copying. I'm copying this process. I'm copying. Copy this. See, there is an option copy, right? Copy. Now, can we download it in MS Word? It cannot. Download in MS Word. It cannot. Look at here. It cannot. Look at here. It cannot. So you can copy and paste like ChatGPT you cannot download. Right. Now I go to MS Word. Professors, I'm just stopping and sharing the entire screen. Let me show you. So any assessment can be self-assessment. See, sometimes self-assessment. Any number of. Dr. Prasad, any number of. But I wanted to have only 5. I wanted to have only 5. Am I clear to you? Any number of questions can be generated. Okay. Now I'm just moving ahead with 1. Look at here. See, fundamentals of e-content. This is actually quadrant 4. Okay, professors. Now, MCQ. Answer all the questions. Answer. See, self-assessment. I'm just making it a self. I want the students to assess themselves on their own. Self-assessment. Okay. Now, I'm trying to create MCQ. Totally 5 MCQs. Look at here. I have pasted all the 5 MCQs. I have pasted all the 5 MCQs. Okay, they should check on their own. They should check on their own. They should check on their own. Okay, professors? They should check the answers on their own. Now, I wanted to bring in fill in the blanks. Look at here, fill in the blanks. How to add fill in the blanks? Go back to Google Gemini. Okay, Gemini dot Google. How many of you generated MCQs? How many of you have generated MCQ for your own subject? Yeah, you can attach. Only thing is that, please understand, only thing is that you can attach only pictures here. Only pictures. Take the picture and attach. Yeah, it will give. For example, look at here, give answers. You get answers. You will get the answers. See, answers alone. You get the answers. Look at your process. You get the answers. Okay. Okay, process. Yeah. Now, can we get slightly fill in the blanks? Similarly, five, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Yeah, you can do the same. Professors, I'm just differentiating with different tools. But you can also do the same in ChatGPT. Only thing is that ChatGPT, you can upload anything. See, for example, you want to generate question paper based on your lecture notes. Upload, you will get it. Am I clear? For example, see here, fill in the blanks. This is fill in the blanks. Okay. Make it without answers. Make it without answers. See, this is without answers. Now tell me, professors, E quadrant focuses on delivering structured lectures and content. Web resources quadrant provides additional resources. Yeah, self-assessment is crucial for learners to know their understanding. Okay, something like that it goes. And if you'd like to have, you can get it. And I want to have 5 true or false. Look at your 5 true or false. You will get, see here, these are all 5 true or false. You can now say, what is the first one? E-content quadrant primarily focuses on interactive simulation and virtual lab. Professor, is it true or false? The first one. Quickly tell me, web resources of quadrant provide supplementary reading materials and references. And next one. Self-assessment quadrant facilitates peer-to-peer discussion and feedback. False. E-tutorial quadrant delivers structured lectures and tutorials. The integration of 4 quadrant can limit the learner's autonomy. False. Look at here, answers. You will get the answers. See, you will get the answers immediately. Okay, professors? Got it. So you can take up and load it in your Word file. It can be considered as, look at your process, it can be considered as quadrant 3 for them to understand self-assessment on their own. There are tools to assess their level. There are tools. I shall deal with 1 or 2 tools. With that over, then I shall move ahead for generating website, which could act as learning management system. Okay, how many of you have generated all the assessments in Google Gemini? How many have generated? Press C in the chat. If you have generated, press C in the chat. You process, you can share it. I will tell you. Now you are generating. You are in the form of generating. Disseminating, I will let you know, process. Don't worry. I will let you know. Don't worry. Now can we load above into Google Form? See, it cannot. It cannot load into Google Form. You will have to create it. You will have to create it on your own. It cannot directly load. But there is one excellent tool to load, your questions. I will let you know. Now I shall take you all to ChatGPT. I'm just taking you all to ChatGPT. Look at your process. I'm into ChatGPT. The same questions can be done. See, now I'm uploading my presentation. I'm uploading my Q2. Sorry, Q2. Based on that, I'm generating the questions. Look at here. See, I attach, upload from computer. I'm with the STC file. Look at here, Q2, model Q2. Yeah, Q2. Yeah, it's here. See, Q2 is here. I have taken Q2. See, this is Q2. From there, I'm just getting the questions. Generate 5 MCQ, 5 fill in the blanks, 5 true or false, and 5 match for the Q2 content attached. Okay, look at your process. For the attached content, we are able to generate. This is for the attached content. Look at here. Which of the following process? First answer, look at here. Which of the following is not type of e-tutorial process? The answer is given, so I will ask without answers. Without answers. Okay, it will give you without answers. It is generating along with the answers. Let us see, you are able to find out quickly. Since we are doing this one, we know it already. Look at your process. Without answers. Now tell me, which of the following is not a type of e-tutorial in 4-quadrant approach? Tell me, process. What is your answer? Talking at video, screen capture video, PowerPoint video. What is not? What is not? What is the answer? B. You're perfect. Perfect. All of you are correct. All of you are correct. Perfect. Yes, fine. Absolutely. And now what is the second question? See here. Second question. Which are the main purpose of flipped learning approach? Flipped learning approach. To reduce classroom interaction, to replace traditional teaching with online videos, to focus on interactive and problem-solving activities during class session, to eliminate need for instructors, which is correct. Oh, you are all wonderful. All of you are able to see. This is what we call by self-assessment. Professor, it's not B. It is not B. It focuses on problem-solving during the session class. Then what does the term blended learning mean by? Teaching solely through online method, interacting classroom methods with online tools, which is correct, professors. Using only e-content for education, learning without instructor support, which is the correct one, professors. Second one, right? Second one, fine, absolutely. Which tool is the best suited recording live classroom sessions? Which one, professors? Live classroom session, camera capture lecture method, right? What is the role of discussion forum in Moocs? To replace instructional session, to encourage peer-to-peer engagement, to host self-assessment, to deliver lectures. Which is the correct one, professors? B is the correct one, not C. Not C, to encourage peer-to-peer engagement. See, whenever the student answering, they will be able to answer. Now look at here. DAS integrates traditional classroom methods with modern online tools. What is that process? Blended learning. You are right. Perfect. Oh, super. Blended learning. Blended learning is the answer. Now, in the DAS approach, students review content at home, engage interactive activities during the class session. In DAS approach, flipped model approach. Very good. DAS tools are used for recording and editing in e-tutorial creation. DAS tools. AI tools. Very good process. DAS to ensure achievement of learning objectives through continuous evaluation. DAS ensure achievement of learning objectives through continuous evaluation. Assessments. In the DAS quadrant, learners are provided text document, PDF, and presentation. Quickly. Fourth document, fourth quadrant. No, which quadrant? Learners are provided text document and PDF. Quadrant 2. Now, flipped learning discourages classroom discussion. Okay, see, now we have generated all 4 sets of questions. Now, copy all that. Copy all that. See, it is, please understand, professors, upload your PowerPoint, upload your Q2, you will get questions based on Q2. Am I clear, professors? Am I clear, professors? Have you all got it? Can you take one? You upload your PPT. Upload your Q2 if you have done and get the questions. If you have done all these 4 type of questions, you press 5 in the chat box. You press 5 in the chat box quickly. You press 5 in the chat box. If you have done all the 4 types of one for your one of the modules, you press 5 if you have completed. If you have completed, press 5. Okay, many of you have completed. Very good. You are able to make it along with me. That's great. See, these are all Q4. You put it over there. Now, these are all self-assessment. So they'll be, see, after learning, they'll be able to check whether we know this or not, whether we understood or not. Self-assessment. Okay, professors, these are all self-assessment. Now, I'm going to tell you automated assessments. Automated assessment. Shall I generate? I'm going to give you automated assessments, right? Now, look at here, professors. Look at here. Please go to Google. Please go to Google. So before that, professors, before that, let me tell you, there is a tool called QuestionWell AI. So please go to Google. Let me just tell you. See, this one, whatever that I have generated, put it as quadrant 4 for their own assessment, checking on their own. Now I'm going to give automated assessment. When they click, they'll be able to go and attend. Okay, right, fine. Now how can you do? Now look at your process. I'm just making it for you all. Please go to QuestionWell. QuestionWell.ai. QuestionWell.ai. Let me make it automated assessment. QuestionWell.ai. Please go to QuestionWell.ai. QuestionWell.ai. After coming here, you click login. You click login. It is there. Login is here. Click that. Professor, is the screen visible? AI. I will give you. Professor Rekha. Get this. This is the one. Please log in with your Google account. Please log in with your Google account. Please log in with your Google account. Yeah. After logging in, you will get this page. After logging in, you will get this page. Now, how many questions to the maximum you can generate? 10 questions. You can generate 10 questions. Now, what is the subject? I'm not giving the subject. Now, what is the language? English. What is the grade? I would like to go have the highest grade. And based on what? I am going to load the text here. So what do I do? Click here. See, the thing is that in the paid version, only you can upload a document. So what shall I do? I can make text. So what do? I open Q2. I open Q2 and get things. Look at here. I just open Q2. Do we get Q2 materials? Yeah, it's here. See, Q2. Open Q2. Open Q2. Look at here. I'm just copying everything. I'm copying everything. I'm just copying. Look at your process. I'm copying everything. Coming back to this place and paste it here. Look at here. I'm pasting all the content. I'm pasting the content from Q2. Now what do? I just close this. Look at your process. Save. Okay, saved. I have saved. Now click questions. Click generate questions. See here, process. I'm able to generate 10 questions automated. 10 questions automated. Now I'm able to generate 10 questions automated. Okay, professors, look at here. I am generated with 10 questions. Look at your professors. These are all generated with 10 questions. Okay. Okay, professors. let me now, what do? I can check the question. See, go through the questions. If you don't like a particular question, if the question contains errors, you can edit here. You can modify the answer. You can make it simple, all that. Now, if you like all the questions, please press expert questions. Please press expert questions. Expert. Please press expert. Now, what is done? Look at here. After pressing expert, you get so many tools. Look at here. Beautiful tools. Microsoft Word, Google Form, Kahoot, Quizzes, Canvas, so many tools. So the tool which all of us know is what? Can you tell me the tool which all of us know is what? The tool which all of us know is what? Yeah, for Dr. Ramya, you will get it. You will get it. You will get even questionnaire. I will let you know because this is the workshop not relevant to research. Otherwise, I should have taken up. You can. Not MS Word, Google Forms. Google Forms, no? MS Word, of course, but you cannot give MS Word, right? Google Forms. Click Google Forms. So those 10 questions go into Google Form. Just in click. In click, you will get it. So similarly for other tools. Look at here. I just click view. You will get it in Google Forms. Look at your process. You get all the questions into Google Form. Am I clear? You get all the questions into Google Form. Okay, process. So now it evaluates automatically. Now only thing is that I just would like to know your number, your name. Your name. Look at here. I'm just adding the name. Name of the participant. Which university? See, which university? I'm just copying. Institution. So institution. Right. Which institution? Right. Look at your process. So I'm just getting these two data along with that marks. I want, look at here. I want some settings. Look at here. You all know this settings. You all know the setting. I need not tell you. Look at here. I need not tell you. You can limit it to one response so that everybody participates only once. And look at here. These are all some of the aspects you want to just give. For example, you want to show the marks. You want to show the progress of the students. You can give. And at the end of the answer, you want to release the marks. Yes, see, after the marks. Okay, professors, immediately after each submission. Professors, at the end of the submission, they'll be able to know their status. Now, I am going to give you the test. Look at here. All of you take up the test. There's something connected to ours, right? Quickly, just check it, professors. Quickly check it. Just click and check it, professors. Click and check it. Click and check it quickly. I have not made effort. I have not made effort. I will show you, Professor Kumarasamy. I will show you. I will show you. Once again, I will show you. Don't worry. Just attend this question. You will be able to know. Now, earlier, you have put it in MS Word. Students will go through and get to know. Now, this is automated assessments, right? These tools that I have shown will have automated assessment. Quickly click and see the process. I will show you the responses, whoever has done. Are you all attempting? Quickly answer, professors, quickly. This is quadrant 4. This is quadrant 4. Now, after this, once again, I will tell you question well. I want you to please attend the test quickly. Attend the test quickly, professors, just to have experience. Yeah, one of you have submitted. Look at here. One of the participants has submitted. You know what is his name? Dr. Kumarasamy. Right. So his answers are here. The first one, what is the primary purpose of Moocs? To focus solely on vocational training? No. To replace traditional, to enable large-scale learning opportunities. So third one is the right answer, right? Only one professor has submitted. What about others? Come on, professors. Come on, I want all of you to submit quickly because you know, you check whether you have understood. for past 4-day lectures. If you have understood, you will be able to answer. Come on, professors, quickly make it. Are you all attempting? Okay, 2 professors. Second professor. What is his score? Jayashree madam, what is your score? Jayashree madam has scored 8 and one professor has scored 9. I think Vaideki madam has scored 9. There are other professors. Come on, quickly. Just to check. Now, why it is wrong? If you give them the review, it becomes formative assessments. Okay, professors? Now, 2 marks, why people get 2 marks, professors? There's no possibility. Okay. Yeah, you can give your score, professors. After attempting, you can give your score here. See, this is self-assessment. See, it's not self-assessment. A tool-tailored assessment. Okay, automatically the tool gives the score immediately to check the students. Okay, we need not get involved assessing the students. Professors, make it professors. Now, I'm going to design some assignment components for this. I am going to design some assignment components. These are all automated, assessments for MCQ and so on. Now, I'm going to design some assignment. Rather than return assignment, I'm going to design some assignment part. Oh, congratulations. Many of you have scored 8 and 9. See here. The score 8 and 9. 8 is average. Very good. Okay, fine. Nobody has scored 10 out of 10. Come on, professors. Totally 23 people have attempted. There are 100 people, 163 people. I want everyone to try. I want everyone to try, dear professors. We have only 8 people and quickly make it 25. Totally 25. I hope I will tell you, professor, kindly finish it off. Finish it off this procedure. I will let you know. Just to rewind, professor, it rewinds you. It rewinds you. Okay, it rewinds you with the concepts learned. That is why I have given you this. It is based on the lecture notes that I have given. That we have dealt this. No problem. If your score is lower, no problem. You need to go through an answer. Okay, it is to make us what is the level that we are in. No problem. But I really appreciate people who give plainly, accept whatever that they score. Appreciation to you, professors. Great of you all. Great of you all. Now 31 people have completed. I do not know whether they are still attempting. Now you can stop, dear professors, because I'm going to show you one more demo on this. I have prepared for software engineering subject. Very good, Janet madam. Very good. Dr. Janet Mary, very good. Shall we go ahead, professors? Shall we go ahead? Shall we move ahead? Are you still attempting? I'm just waiting for professors whether they are attempting still. Still attempting. Shall we move ahead? Completed. Fine. Now look at your process. Once again, let me tell you, I'm just going. Let people attempt. Look at here. Please go to, I'm just starting from the scratch. Please go to Google. Sangeeta madam, congratulations. Please go to Google and type question well. Question well. Okay. Questionwell.org. Questionwell.org. Click the link. You'll be asked to log in through Google account. After pressing the Google account, okay, after pressing the Google account, you will be into the tool, Questionwell. You will be into Questionwell. Okay, professors, you will be into Questionwell. Look at here. So I'm into Questionwell after taking part. Now, look at here. How many questions you can generate? 10 questions. What is the type of question? Multiple choice. Now, if you want to go with the title, for example, I'm just giving the title. I just give the title. Now, how can I generate just for giving the title? Very simple. Look at here. I can even download this as, quadrant 3. I can download this as quadrant 3. I'm trying. Look at here. See here, e-content, 4 quadrant module. Okay, modules. Fine. What is the level? English. What is the level? Graduate level. Graduate. And this time I'm not adding file. This time I'm not adding file. I just give only the title for which it generates. Let us see. And later I will add content. Now look at here. This time only I'm adding title. For that it is going to give me 10 questions. Look at here. Click generate questions. And automatically 10 questions will be generated. Okay, professors? Have you all understood? Has everyone understood? Now I will tell you how to download. The same procedure for Google Form or Word. Okay. Once after generating, you will have to choose the questions to be downloaded. Once after generating, you choose the question to be downloaded. Look at here. It is getting generated. Kindly hold on. Okay. Yeah. Are you happy, professors? Am I boring you? Please let me know. I'm going a bit slower so that you can all understand. I'm glad that many of you have understood the concepts for 4 days and we are in the 5th day successfully. And now, immediately after this, we are going for web designing. All of you are going to have your own websites with e-content submitted. Thank you, professors, for your encouraging words. Thank you. I really wonder, you people are like students doing every small thing. That's great. Look at here. Now it is generated. Look at your process. After generating, you can go through and edit. Edit. If you don't like, you can edit. For example, which of the following best describes e-content? Which one? Physical textbooks. Only video content available. Printed material distributed to students. Digital educational material used for teaching and learning. Okay, not printed material, digital educational material. This is the right one. Okay. Which of the following essential accurately describes e-content? Okay, again and again same. So I don't like this question, so I can delete. Now next question. How does the 4-quadrant model enhance the C? So it goes. Now which 4-quadrant model focus on presentation of static content? Static. Okay, which means video. It is not correct. Which type of primary? It goes, professors. It goes. Now let me tell you, you go through and correct it. Now let me tell you only the technique. Click expert and select all the questions. After selecting all the questions, you will have press expert. You will have these tools. Look at here, Microsoft Word, Google Form, Kahoot, Booklet, Schoology. Now I want it in Microsoft, so Google Form. Click in Google Form. It goes. Okay, just click view in Google Form. It will open. That's all, professors. See, click make a copy. That's all. Click, 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 click. You will get it. Okay, professors, have you all understood this procedure of getting it in Google Forms? Get it? Now, I am going to download one set of question in MS Word. I am going to download one set of question for MS Word. Shall we do that? This time I'm going to add material and generate. This time I'm going to add materials and I'm going to generate. Okay, professors. This time I'm going to add materials. I'm going to generate. Okay, professors. This time I'm going to add materials. I'm going to generate. Okay, professors. Now. Professors, I'm getting it done. Look at here. It's going on, professors. Kindly wait. Am I audible to you? Okay, there is a small issue loading. It's getting loaded. I'm still waiting. Okay, let me just finish it up. It has not completed. Now, can I download it in MS Word? Click MS Word and press expert. Essential question. If you want to have answer key, you can also give answer key. Okay, see, expert without answers. See, the questions are downloaded. Look at your process. The questions are downloaded in the form of MS Word automatically. It is in MS Word. Look at here. I think the questions have not been downloaded, but I will let you know in the next process. This time, Professor, look at it. I'm going to add question. I'm going to add materials. Press login and click how many questions you want. What is the type of question you choose? And now I'm not going to add title. Instead, I'm going to put the text here. I'm going to copy and put the text here. So click here. Before that, I should copy, no? Before that, I should copy the materials. So I should go home. Look at here. I should go to the material corner and copy. Look at here. I'm just copying all the materials. See, copying the different materials. Okay, professors, I'm copying different materials, right? So I have copied. After copying, come back. Where to load? Look at here. Based on, you generate the question based on what? Click this, based on. Professors, please carefully note it. Click based on and fill, paste. So I have pasted the notes under text. If you want to take a question from Q1, you upload the link. The questions will be generated from YouTube videos. If you want to have a question from a website, you will be just giving a link and you'll be able to get questions, right, professors? Now I've got loaded with materials, right? I mean the text. Press save. Press save. Now I have saved it. Now click generate. Click generate questions, professors. Click generate questions. Click generate questions. Automatically, based on the material loaded, it will generate questions. Have you all got it, professors? Professors, have you all understood? Have you all got it? Have you all understood? Professors, have you all understood? Now the same procedure. How will you just export it to other tools? Very simple. Press export and you'll be able to take it to any tool you want. Okay, professors. Now it is getting, created. Now I want all of you, professors, I'll give you 5 minutes time. I will give you 5 minutes time. I want all of you to please, before we are going to have in 5 minutes, we are going for the next part. Yes, now look at here. Generated, right? Now press export. Press export. Press select all and again press export. Now you choose whichever tool you want. Accordingly, you'll get question generated. Am I clear to you, professors? Am I clear to you? Okay, can you do it? Can you do one? Can you do one? I'll wait for you, professors. Can you do one? I'll wait for you, professors. Please take 5 minutes of break and complete it and wait, professors. Professors, I request you just complete various aspects on this and kindly wait for 5 minutes. I want you to complete within 5 minutes. Yes. Quickly make it, professors. So fast you people are. So fast. Great. Professors, I request you to please explore the tool. Just 5 minutes. We are back. We are back. You take break for 5 minutes. We are back. Just 5 minutes. Please do it. Do explore other aspects on this tool. Just 5 minutes break. Back. We will be back. Professors, hope all of you have completed. Thanks for your patience. Professors, hope all of you have completed. Thanks for your patience. Have you all completed, professors? Have you all completed? Last stage. Okay. Completed, professors. Completed. I want all of you to please complete so that you should have hands-on experience. Right. Fine. Any clarification? Now I'm going to give you one more demo. With that, we'll stop and I will spend 1 hour dedicated just for at least 45 minutes for designing website. And tomorrow we'll complete the remaining and we'll take a few others tomorrow. Right. After pasting question, what should you do? After pasting and generating questions. No, don't worry. You keep it and I'll let you know how to make it for the students. Okay, professors. Tried Socrates too. Very good. Where to submit? Don't need to submit, professor. Kindly wait. It is to make you satisfied. You need not submit to anybody. Okay. You need not submit to anybody. Just check with you all. Professor, you are an expert. Why should someone evaluate you? No problem. Okay. Right. Come. Let us go back to ChatGPT. See, I'm just taking you to quizzes also. Very good. You can try. There are 10, 20 tools are there. If you know all the tools, you can very well every day take one. Right? Am I clear? We can have exclusive workshop and assessment tools alone. 5 days. Exclusive workshop for assessment tool alone. Every day, one tool. Okay, process. We request the organizers to take note of it and later we can work on. Different tools are there, right? Now look at here. Thank you, process. Now look at here. I am going to generate, assignments, making assignments to be done by the students. Some creative assignments to check their upper cognitive levels and to check on their own, to test their level on their own. See, some of the assessments assessed by the teachers, assessed by the trainers. Some of the assessments are done and let the learners check their outcome. Let the learners check their ability, whether they are able to make the assignment. Okay, professors? For example, look at here. Generate a creative assignment given to the students on creative assessment. Look at here on 4 quadrant module in content e-content making. Okay, professors. I want to generate, professors, listen here. I want to generate, is my screen visible? I want to generate an assignment. Okay. Generate a creative assignment given to the students on 4 quadrant modules in e-content making. Okay, professors. Now, what should be the criteria? The assignment should be of K4, 5, A5 or K6 level Okay. K6 level. K4, K5 or K6 level. Generate one each. Okay, one each. Generate one each. Okay. And now look at here. Clearly define the learners what they are to accomplish. Okay. Right, professors, look at here. I shall copy and give it to you. Let me tell you. See, I'm just making assignment. I see, not MCQ, not one word. I'm just creating. Look at here. Response 1. See, topic 1. Developing and evaluating 4 quadrant modules. Analysis. Look at your objective. Analyze and categorize key components of 4 quadrant module. Assignment task. You are provided with a sample e-learning material. Task. Identify and categorize the elements of module into the 4 quadrant. Content, self-assessment, discussion, assessment. So analyze how effectively each quadrant contributes to learning outcomes. The desirable. Prepare a report highlighting the strength and weaknesses of each quadrant in the sample module. Suggest at least 2 improvements for each module. It's good, no? Professors, K means knowledge level. Outcome-based education knowledge level. Outcome-based education knowledge level. We call it as cognitive levels. We call it cognitive levels. Okay, professor, this is an effective activity. See, this activity is tailored for 4-quadrant module. You try for your own subject. You will get beautiful ones. Okay, this we can give it to the, see, for example, if I give you a content, I give you an e-content, key component of 4-quadrant approach, suggest you are provided with a sample e-learning material. You are asked to identify, categorize the elements of module into 4-quadrant. Now analyze how effectively this could be done and give 2 suggestions. If you have the expertise, you will be able to make it. Second one, evaluate the effectiveness of 4-quadrant approach in achieving specified outcomes. Design a rubric to evaluate quality of e-content developed using 4-quadrant module. Task. Apply your rubric at least two different e-content modules. Compare and critically evaluate their effectiveness. Which one is better? Submit a detailed report with score. Professors, nice, no? See, if you are a teacher, for example, if you are attending Mooc course, I will be giving you this. If you are attending a course on design and development, I should be giving you this. If you were to attend, okay, nice assignments. No? Look at your sixth one. Design a comprehensive e-content module using 4-quadrant approach. Select a topic of your choice and develop complete e-learning material. This is what I have given you on the first day. You choose a topic for which you are going to do all the 4-quadrant, just to make you all thorough with all the 4 processes. Am I clear to you, professors? This is assignment task. What I am supposed to do? Develop high quality multimedia content, video lectures. Now, create engaging self-learning resources. Good. Q2. This is discussion forum. Q3. This is Q4. Right, professors? Okay, professors. This is what we are in. And finally, present the module in live session through a pre-recorded video walkthrough. Submit all the materials along with the reflective report detailing your design choices during and the challenges faced during the development. Is it not wonderful, professors? See, how should we evaluate? We will get it. So this is the perfect choice for assignment given to the students who is taking up this module. Okay, I have been doing it for one module, one title, right? E-content in 4-quadrant approach. Am I clear to you, professors? Got it, professors? Have you understood? Have you understood? Can you create one? Can you create one? Can you create one assessment creatively for your subject, professors? What you have chosen? Please try. Please try. I want you to create one. And copy all these and put it in MS Word. Look at here. I just copy this. I copy this. I copy this. And this has to be put into MS Word. Am I clear to you, professors? This has to be put into, see here. See here. Instead of self-assessment, assignment. Okay. Assignment work. Okay. You should mention all last date and so on. Last date for submission. Last date for submission and so on. Should be given. And look at your process. You need to mention. See, I have just loaded. See, this is the way that they are supposed to do. Okay, process. So the assignment work is copied and given to the students. They will be able to do it and submit it back. I will let you know how they submit and so on later. So after completion, press C in the chat, process. If you have completed, if you could complete your own module of 4. So all of you are ready now with the 4-quadrant module. Yes? Is there anybody who is completely ready with all the 4-quadrant module, at least to the rough means, to the rough level? If you are ready, press 10 in the chat box. If you are ready, press 10 in the chat box. Oh, my God. Fantastic. Fantastic. So you will make wonders, process. So you can all apply for SWAYAM after having experience of converting your few modules into all these 4-quadrant approach. Okay, professors, I'm very happy. I'm very, very glad. So now it is 7:45. I would like to take you all to web designing. I mean, the design of websites without coding, which acts as a learning management system where we are going to upload all the 4 quadrants in one platform for the students to be availed. Okay, professors? Got it? Got it. Yes. Shall we go? Right now, look at here. I'm just taking you all there. Professors, shall we go? Can I have your permission? Shall we make a move on to the next interesting module of designing a website? And the website will be completed partially today, and tomorrow it will be fully completed. And I would like to take up tomorrow some of the other aspect of Q1. Okay, right. Now, please go to Google. Please go to Google. Thank you, professors. Very, very encouraging. Very encouraging. I never get tired when I handle session for you. Even I'm ready even 1 more hour for you. But since the data and other things, I'm just a bit bothered. Otherwise, I would even go beyond because you are all amazing professors. So quick in doing all that. Very much encouraging the organizers and myself. Thank you. Now, please go to Google. Professors, we are into Google website design, a beautiful website design. Thank you, professors. Okay, thank you, professors. Now, I hope I'm going a bit slower today. Am I? Am I giving you time? Am I giving you enough time to do it? Yes. Now look at your professors. Please go to Google and type Google Sites. Google Sites. Google Sites. Type Google Sites. Google Sites. Type Google Sites, professors. Google Sites. The first link that you get is sites.google.com. Click over it. Sites.google.com. 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 Okay, professors? Sites.google.com. Right? Sites.google.com. And click the plus symbol. Click the plus symbol. Please click the plus symbol. Okay, please click the plus symbol. Click. Okay, professor, you will have to log in with your Google account and you will be to this page. If you've got this page, press 1 in the chat. If you've got this page, press 1 in the chat. I shall give you the link, professors. Sites.google.com. Sites.google.com. Professors, have you all done? Have you all done? Yes, I'm just waiting for your answers. This is sites.google.com. So I want you to please log in sites.google.com. All of you got it? Now let me explain you the environment of this tool. This is Google's product, no advertisement, and you can make professional websites. Professional websites, right? Beautiful websites. Let me tell you from the scratch. Now look at here. This is the banner. This is the part. Anybody has any difficulty? Any difficulty, professors? Shall we move ahead? If you have any difficulty, you're welcome to share. I shall clarify. Do any of you have difficulty? Otherwise, shall I move ahead with your permission? Okay. Please feel free, professors. Please stop me at any time. Right, fine. So here is the banner, top banner that you see on top of the websites. We call it as top banner. Top banner. On your right, look at on your right, you have insert. All that you wanted to bring into the website could be brought. Okay. Vijay Bharati, madam, what happened? Dr. Vijay Bharati, what happened? Tell me exactly. Not opened means what, madam? You you press the link, madam. Press the link. Look at here. Press the link and enter your Google account. You will have the plus symbol. Click the plus symbol. You will get into this page. Got it, madam? Dr. Vijay Bharati got it? Yeah, please look at it. Okay, nice, fine. Please repeat the steps. Madam, please go to Google. Madam, please listen. Please go to Google. Please go to Google. Dr. Sanya, please go to Google and type Google Sites. Google Sites. I want you to please learn because others will get Google Sites. Click that and you get the first link. That is what I have given it in the chat box. Okay, sites.google.com. Okay, click that. Click that link. And you have to enter your Google account and password. After entering into Google account and password, you will get this plus symbol. Click that plus symbol. When I click this plus symbol, I am taken to the next page. I am taken to this page. Okay. Have you got Dr. Sanya? Dr. Sanya, have you got it? Right, fine. Now look at your process. Now I have got insert. See here, I have got insert. In the insert, you have so many elements. Look at here. Text, button, divider, space, social links. All that can be brought here in the page. Ready-made items. Like in the kitchen, you have different items. So whenever you need, you pull in and use it. See, like in kitchen. Whenever you need, pull it and use it and put it back. Something like that. And this is the one, you can increase the number of pages. Right now, we have only one page yet to be created. But the pages can be increased. See, the pages can be increased. Only home page is here. We will increase the pages. And the last one is theme. You can change the theme. Look, this is another theme. I just click over here. Another theme. Screen presentation. Is it not visible, sir? Sir, is it not visible? Process, is it not visible? Revati madam, is it not visible?
Yes, sir, visible, sir.
Screen presentation needed, somebody. Madam has given. Revati madam, what do you mean by madam? Okay, thank you. I think one of the professors said screen presentation not good. Okay, now look at here. The next one. See, next one, another module, another model. Next one, see another model. The next model, look at here, next model. So you have different models, right? You have different models of, and colors also. See here, when I change the colors, see how it looks. Now, the color that I have now, it's not great. So I would like to change the color. I would like to change the color. How can I change the color? See, after creating this, see, after choosing the template, the themes, after choosing the themes, please come back here. Here in the corner. Look at here. When you take your mouse to the corner, you will get this image. Click here, click this image. See, there are two options. Option number one will give you upload. If you have your own picture, could be uploaded. Am I clear? If you have your own pictures loaded into computer, you can upload. Select which is selected from Google sites. The Google site itself has bunch of images. You can use them also. Right now, I'm going to upload an image which I have. Okay, look at here. Upload. I am getting it from the local place. See, I'm getting. See here. I'm trying to get a picture. Look at here. It is a college picture. So I'm just trying to get this picture. See, it comes. Our college building is at the back. Has anyone uploaded process? Has anyone done? Has anyone done? After completion, press C in the chat. If you are able to make it. After completion, press C in the chat. Oh, so many has done. So quick. Fine. Fine process. Now, look at here. Here, I'll be able to change. For example, what is the name that you would like to have for your learning management system? It's not a complete learning management system. Process, am I audible to you? Right. Now look at here. I'm just changing. I just click over here. I can type anything that I want. I want to name it as wisdom. I want to name it as wisdom. Look at here. Wisdom or okay. Wisdom, technology enhanced learning. Madam, what are you, Revati madam, what are you asking, madam? I don't know. Madam, Revati madam, can you come on the mic? Revati madam, please show the page means which page, madam? Revati madam, I think you told me the mic.
Sir, yes, sir. Your for that is your presentation is not visible, sir. You are visible, but you show in the page title or something. That page is need, sir. Your work in that page is need, sir.
Which one you want to show, madam? This one is visible?
Sir, the Google page is need, sir.
Yeah.
That page is not
visible, sir. It is visible. I can see. We can see.
Yeah.
No, sir. Your somewhat trouble in my eyes.
Madam, you adjust yourself, screen, madam, bit. Yeah. Now, are you okay, madam? Is it okay now? Is it okay, madam?
No, no, sir. That means your presentation is not visible. That means you are speaking to me, and in the meeting is only low, but the page is workout. That is need. Google page and then page title. Somebody working page is need, sir.
I don't get you, madam. I'm sorry, madam. I'm sorry. I think your network may be slower, madam. That's why maybe this
No,
delay.
sir, it's correct, but I create everything. But that means
there is an option in the view on the top right corner. There is a view where you can select a standard side-by-side speaker.
Speaker, yes, sir. Gallery, multi-speaker.
Yeah. You choose the standard mode, madam. You will have the speaker aside and the other one. Otherwise, you rejoin, madam. Leave and rejoin. You will be able to make it.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Rejoin, sir.
Yeah. Now look at your process. I just name my learning wisdom. Wisdom technology enhanced learning. Wisdom technology enhanced learning. Wisdom technology enhanced learning. Okay, professors, I have learned. You just please you just have your known name. And look at as like word, you can choose and change the font. See, the font could be changed. See, I can make change of the font. Whatever way that I want. See, I have changed the font. I can change the size. I can change the color. See, I can change the color. I can change its formatting aspects. The color could be changed here. See, text color. So I just would like to have welcomes you or welcomes you all. Welcomes you all. Welcome all the learners. See, I just make it as welcome all the learners. I'm just welcomes all the learners. Okay. So I just select this text, making it bold. Look at here. I'm just selecting once again. Selecting this text completely. Making it bold. Little more. Yeah. Put it in the center. See, center alignment is here. See, I'm able to put it in the center. And I would like to have some handwritten, some comfortable font. Okay, fine. Professors, have you done this? See, I have made a design, simple design. You're most welcome to just design like this. Can you do that? Can you do this? Based on your own design. Can you do that? Can you? Yes. Now, I have done it. I am going to make few if you want animated page means, Kumarasamy sir, we will make it later, sir. Now here, everybody cannot make it animated. Now this cannot be animated. It's not a PowerPoint, no? See, because if you want to have scrolling, you mean the scrolling? Scrolling can be done later. I'll show you, sir. Don't worry, sir. Right, sir? Now you want to have a scroll. You want to have a scroll. Please understand. You want to have a scroll. Maybe welcome to something like that you want to have, or any announcement you want to give, any announcement you want to give. It should go quickly from left to right, something like that. Okay, that's what you mean. So now you please go to another website or Google, go to ChatGPT. Professors, please be reminded, Dr. Kumarasamy is asking a clarification how we can make scrolling move up and down. Shall we do that? For that, we need to have coding. Please go to Google ChatGPT. Please go to ChatGPT and get the code. See here, you use this prompt. Professor, I'll give you the prompt. Generate HTML code for scrolling. See here, the learners for your kind information, e-tutorial for the module fundamentals of four quadrant modules are uploaded in the portal. Okay, professors. Okay, uploaded in the portal. This is what I want to run. Okay, this is what I want to make it run from the website. So enter. See here, you just customize the code. You please customize the code. Am I clear to you, professor? See, I'm just copying and giving you this prompt. Okay, professors. Now customize it. Now I enter. See what happens. I get the code. See, get the coding. You don't worry. What does it come? You never bother. Okay, never bother. Right? I've got the code. Okay, professors, copy this code. See, on top, you have copy option. Professors, please customize and copy and come. I'll tell you. Copy this code. Go back to your website that you're doing. Right? Done. Now, what do? I just don't want to start the complicated one. That's why I have avoided. But since Sir has asked, I cannot control. I cannot keeping me, depriving me saying from that. Go to insert. Now I choose embed. There is an option embed, right? There is an option embed. Go there, click, and look at your embed code. Professors, once again, let me tell you, please go after copying, please go to embed, and there is an option, click embed. Put the code here. See, I have put the code. Now, click next. See here. Check, verify whether the code is working. See, it is loading. Kindly wait. So it is loading process. Look at here. It's loading. See here, process. See here, the learners for your kind information tutorial module for 4 quadrant modules are uploaded in the portal. Okay, process. It's going, right? Click insert. So it gets inserted here. Got it, process? It got inserted. Now you expand it. See here, you can expand this. Make it little bigger. I'm just reducing the size. See here, I'm reducing the size. Yeah, I have reduced the size bit and drag it. The sensitive, it is very sensitive. You need to drag only the size. So drag it. If you don't click inside but outside, see, you have to drag it. See, I am dragging it on the corner. Fine. So it will load continuously, process. See, it will load continuously. Okay, process. Process, how many of you are successful doing this? How many of you are successful in doing this? How many of you are successful? How many of you are successful? Done? Okay, very good. Madam, very simple. I repeat the process. I repeat the process. Once again, I repeat the process. I do it. But you please do it, enlarge it. See, I'll do it once again. Look at it. I'll do the entire process once again for the benefit of others. Please go to ChatGPT. See, I'm doing it newly. Look at here. Generate a HTML code. Look at your process. HTML code for scrolling. Dear learners, hearty welcome to the Wisdom Technology Wisdom Technology enhanced portal for effective learning. Okay, I have just given the message. Okay, process. I want to have the background color blue. Background, sorry, nothing. Let it design. Okay, I just enter. Okay, process. I just give you. Look at here. I just give you this code. I mean the prompt also. Subara madam, unable to give name means what, madam? You are not able to find a name or you are not able to type a name. So after the coding, look at your process. After the coding, copy this code. After the code is generated, copy the code. Go to the website design page. There, what do? There, you have option embed, right? Embed. Click the option embed. Put the code into, not by URL. Go to embed code. There is an option embed code. Put it here. Paste the code. After pasting the code, press next. Okay, process. Now look at there. See, it comes, right? Now click insert. So I've got this. I've got beautiful one, right? Now, how to make it bigger? Make it bigger. Look at here. I just make this bigger. Drag it, make it bigger. Drag it slowly. Okay, process. Drag it fully until the page. Okay, process. Now, take it up a little bit. See, I'm just shrinking, right? Fine, done. That's all process. I have put one on the top. How many of you are successful? How many process? How many of you are successful? It will be going on, scrolling continuously. Okay, process. Have you done it? Right, process. Fine. Very nice. Okay, process. Let you know one more code. I will let you know. So you want to have a web counter. Look at somebody, Subara madam. See here, you click here and you will be able to type, madam. Subara madam, you click here, you will be able to type anything that you want. Click. Okay, click and you'll be able to type. Okay, madam. Got it? Process got it? Everyone got it? Any code can be brought here. Any text can be brought here. Any type of designing can be brought by the coding on your own. Now, what do I do? At the bottom here, I want to bring a module of, look at here, 3 elements. I mean 2. Look at here for learning. Look at your process. I would like to have, I would like to see, look at your pictures of 3 ones. Look at here. 4 quadrants. All the 4 quadrant modules. Okay. Since it is 4 quadrant module, I would like to have. Otherwise, you can have I just show you how to create Please understand, I am just showing how to create a picture-based look and feel in the front page. See, we call these as content block. We call this as content block. Click one of the content block. Would you like to have 4 pictures? You click this. You would like to have 3 pictures? You click this. You would like to have this pictures? You click this. I would like to have this 3 picture. Click that. Click that. It will come here. Look at here. You will get this. Okay. If you click 4, you will get 4. Now, what should I do? Please understand, professors. What should I do? Now, look at here. This this comes one immediate after this. Now, drag it and bring it down. See, I would like to bring this down. Okay, now I got it. Now, what do I do? When I give the plus symbol, I can attach any photos of mine and give something, give some quotation or something. Right now, I'm going to add pictures of, imagine that this is a government related portal. I'm adding pictures. You can add your, your principal or somebody, right? Click here, upload. Look at here, upload. Or you can add the calendar. You can add the calendar of today. Okay, you can add the calendar of this month. Okay, for people to understand. See, I'll let you know. First one, I'm adding photo. First one, I'm adding photo. For example, I would like to add my photo. Click that, and upload. So I'm just adding photographs of my page. Look at your process. See, I'm just adding few people, right? For example, governor. Okay, governor. Okay, I have added the governor. I'm adding the picture of Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Look at here. Just for example process, you decide. See, you need not add the governor, you need not add Chief Minister, but this is only a model. This is only a model I'm just doing, right? Okay, process. See here, I'm just adding the photo of Chief Minister. Okay, if you want to change, you can exchange. See here, I'm just exchanging if you want to have exchange of this. See, drag and put it. Very interesting. And third one, look at your process. I click upload. Third one, Education Minister's photo. Education Minister's photo. Oh, fine. Look at your process. I have added the Education Minister's photo. Now, look at here, Mr. R.N. Ravi. See, I'm just typing. Click inside and you'll be able to type. And you can even change the font. Look at here. Click, choose the font, select it and change the color. See, I'm changing the color. I'm changing the color. And Mr. M.K. Stalin. Okay, change the color. You can change the color. Click and you can change the color. Okay, process. Mr. Kovi Chelian. Right. Select it and change the color. Okay, process. I have chosen. Now at the bottom, look at here. I'm just giving them the title. Honorable Governor of TN. So you can fix, see, for example, I would like to fix the color. See, very simple. I am fixing a color. You can make it bold or italics, right? Honorable Chief Minister. Chief Minister. Okay, done. Attach colors. Okay, now, Honorable Higher Education Minister. Higher Education Minister. Okay, process. Done. It's all done. Okay, look at here, the picture has been added. Now I have done. Now at the bottom, you want to have something written about wisdom. You want to describe your wisdom tell in words. You can get it from ChatGPT and put it here. Or you design, you write and put it here. How? I'm just using ChatGPT to describe. Look at here. Describe with the few words for placing on the home page of a portal called Wisdom Tell. See, I am just mentioning Wisdom Tell. You just make your own Wisdom Tell. Learning management portal by portal facilitated by Dr. A. Vimal Gerald, Assistant Professor of Computer Science, St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli. Okay, right? See, I'm just getting the message. Look at here. Make it little elaborate. Okay, make it little elaborate. Look at here. See, professors, look at here. I would like to little more. I would like to have little more. See, so I've got this. So I just copy this, go back to the website. Now where to paste it? I will just give you where to paste this. Go to the text. Look at it. I'll just give you, madam. Go to the text. Look at your text box. So when I click the text box comes. Paste it here. Okay. And now put the color. Now make it colorful. And increase the font. Okay. Increase the font size and the alignment also. Okay. The alignment also. You can even go with the line space. See, the line space is here. Okay, the line space is here. Okay, professors. So I have added few words. Okay, shall I give you the prompt? Okay, I'm just giving you the prompt. Look at here. I'm giving you the prompt. See, it's up to you, professors. You can very well work wonders on your own. You can very well work wonders. You can put it in a copy, the prompt, and put it in a notepad. Okay. Now I have put text. Okay, first page is ready. Professors, my first page is ready. Okay, professors. Okay, shall we go to the next page? Have you got some idea about front page? Professors, have you got about some page? Now, shall we have a look at this page, how it looks for the real website? Okay, professors. How will you get further? You don't keep Wisdom, professors. You take any name you want. I have just now. You don't need to save. Automatically it's saved. Okay, automatically it saves. You need not save. Right, fine. Now look at here. I just go back and I go back, professors. I go back here. Now I just make it visible for you. Look at here. Now, how does it look? How does it look for the real website? See here, there is a preview is available. I click here. See, look at feel of the website, entire website. Now this is the website, professors. Look at here. Is it fine? See, it's getting loading. Is it fine? See now, dear learners, hearty welcome to Wisdom Technology. It will be going on. See now, at the bottom, you have some text. Fine, professors. The first page is okay. When you are happy, press exit. Look at here, exit. Now we are going for the second page. I am designing the second page. Now second page is, go to the page. Click the plus symbol. When I click the plus symbol, you will get like this. Now you enter. Second page is about my profile, my complete profile, because people who it's my personal profile, no? So whomever comes in contact, people should know about me. So I just create my profile. Look at it. You can create your profile or you need not. This is my model, but you can use. See my profile. Done. See, it takes me to the next page. See, now next page is ready. Now here, I don't want the same photograph, the building. I would like to change. How to change the background? Very simple. Go down. There is an option image. Professors, I want you to, how many of you have created next page? I just want you all to ensure. How many of you have created next page? How many of you have created next page? How many of you have created next page, professors? Professors, how many of you have created next page? I'm just waiting. Have you all successfully created next page? Are you not able to create one? I just tell you once again, professors. Yeah, I'm deleting and doing it again. Professors, carefully note it. I am into the first page now. I just go to page. Vijay Bharati madam, please listen and do it, madam. Please listen and do it. After inserting description, what can I do? I think, madam, now you are asking from far. See, if you immediately ask, madam, that will be better. Otherwise, we are lost all the way and we are there in next part. It will be better you immediately ask. Okay, madam. Or note it down and you can later work with the video. Because otherwise, all the participants have crossed, no? So we get back, no, others will be getting bored up. Okay, madam. Before the next page, what, madam? Madam, what do you want to ask? Please ask me. Because sometimes I don't get the prompt because it's not full, no? Vijay Bharati, before the next page, what do you want? Before the next page? Vijay Bharati, madam? Okay, I think this is not responding. Okay, no problem. Now click pages. Professor, click pages and there is a symbol at the bottom, plus. Click the plus. Click the plus and you have option like this. There, you type the name of the next page. Title of the next page. I just give my profile. My profile. Okay, professors. My profile. Click done. Okay. See, the next page is created. Next page is created. Okay, professors. Now, here, I don't want the same picture to be continued in the next page. I want to have this change of picture. I can click my image. Click here. See, you have upload and select. Now I want to choose the image which is available with Google. Go to select and choose the image. Look at you have images in the gallery. You can choose the fitting image. Now, since it is my profile, I would like to choose this. I like this very much, so I'm just choosing. Click insert. After choosing a picture, click insert. Okay, process. See, I've got it. Now, can I slightly put this text into aside? See, you can modify and you can drag. See, in the center, you can click and drag and put it in this side. See, am I clear to you, process? See here, you can click and put it aside in one corner. Okay, process. So I've got it. I've got it. Okay, process. Got it. My profile. Now here at the bottom, you have to put your profile. How will you put your profile? Very simple. You get your profile. You get your profile. Okay. And place it here. You might have your profile, right? If you have a biodata, please understand. If you have your biodata, put it into ChatGPT and ask it to describe. Describe it in one page. So you will get it. Okay. You will get it. And put that here. Okay. Now what do? I just copy because I have my profile already with me. So I go to insert. Process, carefully note it. I go to insert. 1 minute, process. Wrongly, I think I have clicked something because it is gone all of a sudden. 1 minute, process. I'm just missing the element. 1 minute, let me bring it. The mouse that I use is very sensitive. So I'm dragging to another page. I lost. You need not save. It will be safe. It will be safe. Your website will be there. See, it is loaded. It is loaded again. You can continue tomorrow. Also, it will be there. Now, I am in the next page. Go to my profile. There, I'm going to load my profile. So what should I do? I click text box and put the text box. In the text box, you copy and paste your profile. Okay. Now, I would like to have my profile. It's me. So I just click profile. Okay. Click your profile. Okay. Profile updated. See, I just open my profile, copy and paste. I'm just copying my profile process. I have my profile done. So I'm just copying my profile. Copied. Very sensitivities. Oh. Okay, process. I have copied. Yeah, fine. Copy this. Come back. After coming here, you paste it. That's all. See here, I have pasted. Now you put it into different. See here, this is actually academic contributions. Here is I divided. This is academic contributions. Okay. See, academic, it should be in bullets, right? Please bring it in bullets. Research experience. Okay, process, something like that. Okay, process. Now I brought all my thing. Now no time, so I'm just making colors, making choice of colors, and my profile is also ready. I want to have justify alignment. It is given. Now I just divide the paragraphs into few. Now look at here. I can also change the font. So I just increase the font size so that legibility can be increased. Look at here. I have just increased the font. My profile page is ready. So have you understood, professors? I just would like to stop here because I should not go beyond the time as promised. Now I'd like to take up some queries if they are. Now, how many of you have designed two? How many of you have designed two, at least 2 pages? Now you modify it later. Now, have you got the technique of doing it? I would like to know, have you got the technique of doing it? If you have got the technique of doing it, it's enough. You please make it. Tomorrow, we will have interesting factors to load all our 4-quadrant module. Okay. I'm going to load all the 4-quadrant module tomorrow. Okay. Got it? Any specific clarification process? Any specific clarification? You can interact. Any specific clarification? Process, would you like to clarify anything? Any specific clarification? Process, scrolling text. I'll repeat, process. How many pages? Any number of pages. Kumarasamy sir, any number of pages. How to insert your profile? Sir, you use text box. In the text box, you put the profile. Okay, copy the text and put it over there. See, here there is a text box, no? See, there is an option text box, right? Text box. Click the text box and a text box comes. Inside the text box, you put your text. Copy from your available thing, right? Okay, professors? Dr. Kumarasamy, I will tell you. It is possible to put the videos. Okay, don't worry. I will tell you. Tomorrow we will see. Sir, Dr. Sanya, Google site steps once again, if possible, towards the end. What are you asking? But be specific. See, professors, if you are asking some question, if you could be specific, I'll be very happy. Because I don't know what you are exactly meaning. How to delete the second page. You click and delete. See, that's all. If you want to delete, click. It will be automatically deleted. Or go to the pages. You click here. Click the 3 dot. See, it can be deleted. Okay, madam? Yeah. How to delete second page. In home page, running script, not fully visible. You enlarge it, madam. I showed you, know. You enlarge it and adjust it. You have the box. You adjust it. Don't need to save. It is automatically saved. Tomorrow you open sites.google.com. Your website will be there. Double click and open. It will be there. You need not save. Where? Sir, look at here, sir. Look at here. Go to the pages. Click this. Look at here, 3 dot. Click here and you have delete option. This is to delete the entire page. Okay, sir. Yeah. So it is time. So we shall finish it off and I shall take up your queries. Some of you wanted to have scrolling. I will do it. Don't worry. So we shall finish it off and we shall come back if there are queries. Thank you. Now over to the organizers. We shall finish it. I will take up the queries. Whoever is interested clarifying, stay back, clarify and leave. Yeah.
So Dr. Baramulli, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, good evening. Yet another captivating session. It was so engaging that everyone completely forgot about the fungal cyclone and lost track of time. Thank you, sir. And
Thank
it was
you.
a
Thank you.
very lesson that I will just
Yeah.
sir.
So it's officially over. Thank you, Professor. Thank you very much, the organizers. Thank you. In spite of your technical difficulty, you are able to make it. Thank you very much. Now, professors who would like to ask and who would like to stay back, you're most welcome. The first demo that I'm giving you is designing. The day 5 activities over. Now we are taking up queries. So for those who are interested. Okay. Now let me just take dear professors. Let me just take process. Kindly hold on. Let me just take to you process. Thank you. Now, look at there. I am just telling you how to generate the scrolling once again. Let me share my screen. Look at your process. See, I'm into the screen, right? I'm into the screen. I'm into the screen. Now, I wanted to have, look at here, I wanted to have scrolling here. Now, how to scroll? Now go to GPT. Please go to ChatGPT and type generate HTML code, to scroll, dear learners, okay, professors, you get generate HTML code to scroll, dear learners, hearty welcome. Whatever you want to scroll, please understand, whatever you want to scroll, put it in quotes, double quotation. Put it in double quotation. Hearty welcome to Wisdom Technology Enhanced Learning Platform. Okay, professors. Now enter, you will get the code. I'm just giving you the code. See, I'm giving you this one. Okay. Just get this code. See, professors, I have got the code, right? For this, you enter, you get the code immediately. Okay, you get the code immediately. Okay, professors? You get the code immediately. Okay, professors? So now what do you do? Copy this. Copy this. Professors, are you following me? Copy this code. You know, we have generated a code for the prompt I have given. I have given the prompt in the chat box. Now come back to the website. Now go to insert. Now click embed. Look at here. Click embed. And go to embed code. Paste it. Press next. Okay. Press next. Okay, professors, I've got the code, right? Click insert. Okay. So automatically this comes. Look at your professors, this comes. Now it is not coming into the full. How? So how to make it full? Adjust it. Slightly adjust it. Look at here. Put this. Slightly adjust this. See? Okay, professors, I'm just adjusting. Look at here. I'm just adjusting. Okay, professors. Now, how to drag it? See, I'm just dragging it to top also. See? Okay, process. Okay, got it. Now you got it. Fine, process. Process, have you got it? Madam, Monica, madam, what do you want, madam? How to make news scrolling from the top to down? You make your prompt, madam, top to down, you will get it. If you want to have top to down, you will get it in the chat box. Okay, chat GPT. Accordingly, you will change it. Okay, right, fine. Okay, process. Yeah. Any other clarification, process? Whether the website will be present permanently? Yeah, it will be permanent. If you think it can be edited. Okay, process. Sir, why do you want to download the video, sir? It is available at any time you can watch, sir. At any time you can watch. Because downloading, you have to get permission from Annamalai University people. Because they have all the rights. I don't know whether, I have also told them, I don't know whether they are considered. Sir, JP sir, are you there? JP sir?
Sir? Sir?
Sir, please, somebody is asking for downloading the video, sir. Please answer that question, sir.
Okay, sir. I will send the link, sir.
Professor, are there any AI tool to create website? Dr. Sania, there are AI tools to create website, but you cannot make it like this. If you want to have complete, you have to do it on your own, not describing just like that. You will see, we are doing it through AI tool only. Look at your chat GPT, we are coding and we are putting it here. No, is it not so easy? Dr. Sania, is it difficult? Do you feel that it is difficult? It's very easy, no? Like Word, PowerPoint you are using. Now, we are not writing any code. Monica, madam, I will tell you tomorrow. I have not completed, no? I will tell you tomorrow. If there is any clarification pertaining to today's thing, you ask. Tomorrow you will get all these answers because we are not completed, right? Any other clarification, professors? Any other clarification? Thank you so much. Okay, thank you, professors. Thank you. Thank you, professors. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks a lot. If there are any queries, otherwise we shall call it a day. Professors, I don't give up. Don't give up. If you don't get it, don't give up. You will be able to, everybody will be able to get it. Okay. Everybody will be able to get it. So please try. All of you can make it. So I want all of you to make tomorrow at least 2 pages. Sania madam, you can also try again using the video. So immediately you will be given the video. Please use the video. Okay, professors. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, professors. Tomorrow we shall meet and complete the website, uploading all the 4 quadrant module. Okay, professors. Thank you. Make a complete portal and it's quite useful. All of you can have website hereafter and whoever asked you, you can share your website. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you, professor.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot. Thank you. Have a great weekend, professors. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you.